distribution center in your RV is going to supply 120 volt power and 12 volt. This happens to be an older model that has the distribution center and the converter all in one unit. Pull this top off. This would typically come out of here in your RV like this. 110 volt, you got your main switch right here, and each one of these is for a different appliance inside. The power cord is going to come through the back into the center. This will go out to your appliances. Over on this side then, it's actually going to convert to a 12 volt system, and each one of these fuses in here goes to a 12 volt appliance or light inside the coach. Now the bottom of this, we're going to just take this off and show the actual converter, and this is the old style converter. It's a lot noisier, it puts out a lot more heat. We have the electronic upgrade to that, which will just go right into the bottom of this unit here. It's going to provide cleaner power. It's going to be a lot quieter, less heat inside, and it has more battery charging capacity out of this unit. Now the newest units that are out today actually have a completely separate battery charger where you'll have a smaller panel itself, and the battery charger can be placed completely off-site, down underneath where you don't see it at all. We're not going to be able to upgrade that in this unit because the compartment that we have has the larger cutout like this. So if you have one of the old style distribution centers and converter, it's really easy to upgrade with this new model here. You go from 0.5 amps to 1 amp. It'll give you cleaner power, quieter, less heat, and it's a great way to upgrade.